Hi guys, this is simple yam porridge recipe. It might look like the one you know, but it's not the same with the one you normally cook at home. First of all, we peel our yam and wash clean. Put on fire, though we put it on fire off camera. Then I open to add a pinch of salt. Remember, this is not the salt I'm going to use in cooking this yam. I will still add more salt in future. Alright. Now we open again to see the condition of our pot, to check if the yam is ready. Okay, now when the yam is ready, we slice in our onions. I'm making this particular recipe with my wife. If this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. Do well to subscribe and give us a thumb like if you find this video interesting or helpful. After putting your onions, you do well to add your dry fish. This is bonga fish. When you're adding your bonga fish, you do well to add your scotch bonnet pepper. We proceed. Then this is when we add a pinch of salt, because the one we added earlier was not enough. We add our seasoning cube. Very interesting. We add our seasoning cube. Let me know what you think about this video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to drop a beautiful comment. We add in our palm oil on top. These are the basic things for now. Then you do well to give a good stir to mix everything together. This is one of the major things that will make this food to come out well, because if you fail to mix all together, the ingredients might go one side and you might not get the full taste. As you can see, the way my wife is mixing it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. When you mix well, you add a little water again and make sure you mix to your desired taste, but make sure that you mix very well. You cover and cook for maximum of 5 minutes. Open it, see the porridge is already gathering. The more porridge you want, the more water you put, and remember, if you over put water, it will go up from porridge. Then we add in our scent leaf, bean nchang. What do you call this in your own dialect? Let me know on comment section. You do well to mix together again. When mixing, be careful. If you watch, this pot is small, so we are being careful so that the thing will not throw away. When mixing, use garri turner, the stick to bake your garri. That's what I mean. If you use spoon, ordinary spoon, it might break the spoon or it might not come out well. What do you think about this? I hope this video, if you find it helpful, very yummy, please help us and share and like and comment, subscribe too.